Welcome to my channel. Today, we're going to talk about herbal remedies that can help you maintain good health. Herbal remedies have been used for centuries to treat various ailments and promote overall well-being. In this video, we'll explore some of the most effective herbal remedies that you can use to stay healthy and feel your best. Herbal remedies have been used for centuries to treat a variety of health conditions. These natural remedies are made from plants and are considered a safe and effective way to promote good health. Here are some of the most popular herbal remedies and their benefits. Echinacea. This herb is commonly used to boost the immune system and prevent colds and flu. It is also used to treat infections, inflammation, and skin problems. Ginkgo biloba. This herb is known to improve brain function, memory, and concentration. It is also used to treat conditions such as asthma, tinnitus, and vertigo. Garlic. Garlic has anti-inflammatory and antibacterial properties. It is often used to treat respiratory infections, high blood pressure, and cholesterol. Turmeric. Turmeric is a spice that has been used in traditional medicine for thousands of years. It is known for its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties and is used to treat conditions such as arthritis, heart disease, and digestive issues. Ginger. Ginger is used to treat nausea, inflammation, and pain. It is also a natural remedy for cold and flu symptoms. Chamomile. Chamomile is a calming herb that is often used to promote relaxation and sleep. It is also used to treat digestive issues, skin conditions, and inflammation. Milk thistle. Milk thistle is a popular herb for liver support. It has been shown to help regenerate liver cells and improve liver function. St. John's wort. St. John's wort is a natural antidepressant that is used to treat mild to moderate depression. It is also used to treat anxiety and sleep disorders. It's important to note that while herbal remedies can be effective, they are not a substitute for medical treatment. If you have a serious medical condition, it's important to seek the advice of a healthcare professional before trying any herbal remedies. In addition, not all herbal remedies are safe for everyone. Some herbs can interact with prescription medications and some can cause side effects. It's important to do your research and talk to a healthcare professional before starting any new herbal remedy. Herbal remedies can be a great way to promote good health and treat minor health conditions. With the right research and guidance, you can find the herbal remedies that work best for you. That's all for today's video. I hope you found this information helpful. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comments section below. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos like this one. Thanks for watching.